Hi, my name is Tiffany, and welcome to Wow Factor, where you can create the life that you desire. Okay, confession time. A few months ago, I had a big dinner with friends. Delicious food, lots of laughs. But later that night, I felt so bloated, I swore I could audition for a hot air balloon festival. I woke up determined to figure out what was going on. Fast forward to now, and I've cracked the code on bloating. Trust me, it's not about cutting out foods you love, but learning how to support your gut. In today's video, I'll share what worked for me and how you can finally say goodbye to bloating for good. Let's dive in. Bloating often starts with digestion. After you eat, food travels through the esophagus to the stomach, where stomach acids break it down. The small intestine takes over next, with bile and enzymes doing most of the heavy lifting. But if something's off in this process, bloating comes knocking. Here's something surprising. Your gut bacteria are essential for digestion. About 20% of your digestive enzymes are made by microbes. Unfortunately, things like antibiotics, artificial sweeteners, and even birth control can wipe out these friendly bacteria, leaving your gut struggling to process food. It's not just food that messes with your gut. Environmental factors like glyphosate, steroids, fluoride, and statins can reduce the diversity of your gut bacteria. And without enough good microbes, symptoms like gas, burping, constipation, and yes, bloating, become your new normal. Here's the good news. You can restore your gut health. Start with a high-quality probiotic to repopulate those good microbes. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and pickles to your meals. Apple cider vinegar and kombucha also acidify the gut, waking up dormant microbes to get digestion back on track. These habits support bile production and enzymes, taking pressure off your digestive organs. Over time, this will not only reduce bloating, but also improve your overall health. Want to take your anti-bloating game to the next level? Here are 5 superstar foods that work wonders for your gut. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that soothes the digestive tract. It also speeds up digestion, reducing the time food spends in your stomach. 2. Fennel seeds. These tiny powerhouses relax your digestive muscles and ease gas. Chew a pinch after meals or brew them into tea. 3. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins and eases digestion. It's perfect for relieving bloating. 4. Pineapple. Like papaya, pineapple contains bromelain, which supports digestion and reduces inflammation. A few chunks can make a big difference. 5. Yogurt with live cultures. Yogurt with probiotics restores the balance of good bacteria in your gut, aiding digestion and preventing bloating. So there you have it, my bloating survival guide. Trust me, if I can go from feeling like a balloon to feeling light and energized, you can too. Start with small changes and add some gut-friendly foods. Your body will thank you. If this video made you smile or gave you an aha moment, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to beat the bloated belly blues. Check out our video on the 12 powerful foods that help your body for more gut-friendly foods. Thanks for watching.